Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF to B4 size PDF using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option. And standard dialog box, click this arrow and scroll up, and here you will find this B4 option. Select. Now select the point unit ends and select all page or a specific page as well, and finally select this OK and see this our PDF file are converted to B4 size PDF, and finally select file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.